Hello and welcome to this unboxing video of a special item from CZ. It is a CZ Shadow 2 limited edition Maria Gushchina pistol. It is limited to 350 units worldwide. However, I believe only about 41 or 42 units made it into the United States. Now it comes with this leather case with the CZ marks on it. It is a combination case. You can set up your own combination if you would like to do that. Now it's pretty rare pistol, like most of them really come in this type of leather cases that they make on, or CZ is known for making some limited edition guns. Really just a nice piece to have, which I kind of got lucky in getting. So I'm trying to make an unboxing video to show you what it looks like as well as how it comes in. And without further ado, let's check out the firearm itself. So you do get a leather case with some paperwork, some Allen wrench keys, I believe an electronic target that they use to determine accuracy. Now it comes with this felt pad to cover the firearm itself, and onto the firearm. So the firearm comes with two 17-round magazines. It is high polish chrome finish. It's a steel frame Shadow 2, as well as the magazines. Let me pull this out, get the box out of the way. As always, just do a quick safety check. Magazine is clear. The chamber is clear. So it comes with the markings: Maria Gushchina World Champion. It is marked CZ Shadow 2, made in Czech Republic, chambered in 9mm. It also comes with the color case hardened controls. So pretty much your trigger, you can see that there, the slide release, slide stop, the safety, the magazine release, hammer, and the injection port. Now it comes with these engravings on the left side as well as on the right side, underneath the dust cover, and on the base of the magazine. Now it's pretty standard. It comes with the check rings in the front and in the back, and there's the check ring as well as on the trigger guard. Comes with standard blacked out rear sights, adjustable for bendage and elevation, as well as the fiber optic front sight. And one of the things that I also wanted to show you is the barrel. As you can see, the barrel and the guide rod is also a high polished chrome finish, which the standard CZ really comes with polycoat or polycoat black finish. So the trigger pull is pretty standard. CZ trigger pull. I don't believe there's any difference internal wise from a standard CZ Shadow 2. It is pretty crisp and smooth single action, as well as the reset on that trigger pull. Well, if you like this video, or you want to leave some comments below, feel free to do so, or ask any questions. And really the reason for me making this video was simply because there wasn't any available at the time, and just wanted to show what this firearm came with, as well as how it came in from the import of the other dealers. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.